Novak Heating, Air and Duct Cleaning is your trusted partner when the AC goes out at your rental, especially during a hot Cedar Rapids summer. They offer real 24-hour emergency HVAC service to property managers just like you. If a tenant texts you about no air conditioning, act fast. First, ask them to check the thermostat and circuit breaker. It could be a simple fix. If not, call Novak immediately. They've been helping landlords with emergency AC repairs for decades. Common AC problems in rentals include clogged filters, refrigerant leaks, electrical issues, and drainage clogs. Most emergencies can be prevented with regular maintenance. Consider a maintenance plan with Novak to keep all your units running smoothly and avoid costly last-minute repairs. Good communication with tenants during an outage reduces frustration and builds trust. Protect your properties, your tenants, and your peace of mind. Partner with Novak Heating, Air and Duct Cleaning. Call Novak today at 319-364-4626 and be ready before the next emergency hits.